मुझे शारजा का मैच याद आ रहा है सवा, जब मैच टाई हो गया था तो 1 रन की गड़बड़ थी स्कोर बोर्ड में, बाद में जो ऐड कर दिया गया था उसी की बदौलत तो काफ़ी एक कंट्रोवर्सी हुई थी। और अब ये जो एक गेंद मिस कर गए हैं मुंबई हीरोज, कहीं मैच करीबी हुआ तो एक गेंद से बहुत फर्क पड़ जाएगा। T20 के मैच में कुछ कहा जाता नहीं है। Amazing crowd, and look at that, packed like sardines. That festival atmosphere at Kochi. Oi, it's dangerous. If you step on the ball, you can twist your ankle. Look at that. Look at that. It's been a while since so much crowd was seen in an ODI match, Zaba. So cricket and films, and the combination of that is pure cricketainment, and people are lapping it up.
सही कहा अतुल, ये कमाल का रिस्पांस है इस लीग को देखने के लिए। डाउन द लेग साइड वाइड होना चाहिए, हुआ भी, एक एक्स्ट्रा रन उसके ऊपर से वाइड। But yes, you're right. I haven't seen crowd like this for a test match or even for a Champions League game. For a one-day international match, yes, I do. When I've seen games, crowd like this in these venues. But also look at the response from the crowd. They're really enjoying it. They're so happy to see the film stars in action. Happy to see the film stars play the popular sport.
And you must compliment the stars as well. They're masters of their own trade, but the kind of effort they're putting in is tremendous. Not an inch given, not an inch asked for. Mohanlal right in the thick of the action. Look at the sweat on his face. He was diving yesterday, and that kind of effort can lift the team. And I'm amazed to see the competitive spirit in the teams. The kind of preparations teams are putting in pre-season, before the game, warming up. The support staff is totally amazing. Again a loose delivery. I think he's trying to bowl too quick, Mukunda. Skipper or somebody must go and speak to him. Just try and make him pitch the ball in the right area, rather than trying to bowl the effort ball and giving away an extra run and a delivery.
You know, back-to-back मैच खेलना उतना आसान नहीं होगा अतुल, और चेन्नई हीरोज ने वही किया है। कल मैच खेला था उन्होंने, उसके बाद यहाँ पर मैच खेल रहे हैं, और केरला स्ट्राइकर्स की भी यही हालत है। जेनिलिया डिसूजा, फेमस बॉलीवुड फिल्म स्टार्स, इस समय ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है मुंबई हीरोज की। शारजा में मौजूद थी, यहाँ भी मौजूद है, और हमेशा तैयार रहती हैं। और ये रन आउट वरुण बदोला ने कॉल किया था, पर सानी ने रिस्पॉन्ड काफ़ी देर में दिया, जिसके वजह से पहला विकेट गिरा है यहाँ पर मुंबई हीरोज का। And the crowd has gone berserk. They are happy that Kerala strikers have got the first wicket.
No, this is close. I think he is struggling to get in there. He was waiting. He did not respond to Varun's call. Took his own time setting off, and I think he's in trouble now. The throw was good. One bounce. Look at that. And he's gone. 4 inches shot, and it's pretty clear. So, loose bit of cricket by Mumbai Heroes. They were going great guns. 29 runs on the board in the 4th over, and throwing away a wicket. Casual cricket. And a well set batsman. Sunny Singh was looking dangerous as well. He is gone.
So we wait for the third umpire's decision, but it's more than clear that the decision would be out. Yes, it is. And the crowd erupts. Oh, ये वातावरण बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है। So पहला विकेट गिरा मुंबई हीरोज का।
So Mumbai Heroes losing their first wicket. So Raja Bharwani has come in at number 3. He was the man of the match in Sharjah with the bat and with the gloves. So pretty good start for Mumbai Heroes. Needless wicket given away, but a stage set for array of talent they have in the team. And it's been given. Bad luck, the ball keeping very low but reaping the rewards of pitching the ball in the stumps. This is cricket. One day you're a hero, next day you just got to walk back, and I feel that he has been hard done by Sabha. The ball probably missing the leg stump. We'll have a good look in the slow-mo, but it kept so low that the umpires get tempted to give it.
और ऐसा यहाँ पर मुझे लग रहा था कि बॉल लेग स्टंप के बाहर निकल जाती, पर चूंकि बॉल इतनी ज़्यादा नीचे रह गई और कई बार इन हालत में अंपायर को लगता है कि विकेट पे लगेगी। खैर, राजा भरवानी शून्य बनाकर वापस 29 पर 2।